Living in a small space can feel a bit challenging sometimes. It's a common experience for so many of us these days, especially with more people moving into cities where every square foot counts. It is easy to feel like you constantly battling clutter, or that you just do not have enough room to breathe, let alone live comfortably. This isn't about having too much stuff. It's often about the way our living environments are designed. Modern lifestyles are changing, and many of us are embracing minimalism or simply finding ourselves in cozier homes, by choice or necessity. So, if you've ever looked around your apartment and wished for a little more elbow room, you're definitely not alone. It's a natural response to the spaces we inhabit. Understanding why a small space feels cramped is the first step. It's often less about the actual size and more about how the space is used and perceived. Things like lighting, furniture, placement, and even the color of the walls can dramatically impact how large or small a room feels. Our daily habits also play a huge role. The way we store our belongings, how we move through our homes, and the flow from one area to another can either create a sense of openness or a feeling of being closed in. It's a fascinating interplay between our environment and our routines. Many people find themselves trying to fit a traditional, large home lifestyle into a smaller footprint, which naturally creates friction. The feeling of being overwhelmed by a small living area is a shared reality, driven by trends in urban living and shifting personal priorities. It's not a personal failing, but rather a symptom of adapting to new living situations. Recognizing this can be quite freeing. It allows you to shift your focus from frustration to curiosity, exploring how your environment influences your daily life and sense of well-being. It's all interconnected. The layout of our homes, the items we choose to keep, and the way we organize our lives within those walls. It's a modern puzzle many of us are trying to solve. If you want a clearer understanding of what's happening and why it develops, there's a detailed explanation available.